Good evening and welcome to the news. First, let us take a look at the headlines. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma launches CM Elevate program in West Jand Hills district. BJP central leadership to take a call on fielding Lok Sabha candidates in 2 seats of Meghalaya. Khasi Authors Society asks government to notify Khasi as the official language of the state. And government trying to address shortage of livestock, says Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Minister A.L. Hegg. The news in detail. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma today launched the CM Elevate program in the West Jand Hills district. The event took place at the district auditorium in Jawai. The Chief Minister emphasized that the objective of the program is to actively involve, employ and empower the youths of Meghalaya through entrepreneurship. Furthermore, the day served as a platform for the distribution of checks to a total of 37 beneficiaries of the district under the Yes Meghalaya and Green Meghalaya initiatives. The state government has launched a flagship program called Chief Minister's Elevate that is extended to support over 20,000 entrepreneurs in the next 5 years.
We have in the last 5 years supported over 3,000 different entrepreneurs in different ways. Every year, 70,000 youth enter the workforce every year. 70,000. And as we go ahead in the future, this number is going to go up to 1 lakh because our population trend is such.
With the Meghalaya Bharatiya Janata Party yet to decide on the candidate for the Shillong Lok Sabha seat, Cabinet Minister and Party Leader A.L. Hegg has maintained that the central leadership will take a call on fielding candidates from Shillong and Tura seat. Hegg said that if party wants, he would contest the Lok Sabha polls from Shillong. Acknowledging the fact that the party has not performed well in Meghalaya in the last assembly elections, Hegg said that people in Meghalaya don't vote for a party, but individuals, even as he expressed confidence that the party would win both the Shillong and Tura Lok Sabha seat this time.
BJP is the organized party. They have all the setup in all the mandal, the district and the state level. So they have been working throughout. This is not that the BJP is working only before election. They are working throughout the day for the party and also for preparation of elections.
The Khasi Authors Society has asked the state government to notify Khasi as one of the official languages of Meghalaya. A delegation of KAS members met Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Monday and raised the demand with him. Speaking to media persons after the meeting, KAS President D.R.L. Nonglat said English is the official language of the state, while Khasi and Garo are associate official languages as per the Meghalaya State Language Act 2005.
And we have also informed him that we have submitted our memorandums to the Union Home Minister, the Prime Minister and the President of India. We have given him copies of those memorandums, and a request to the Chief Minister is to write a follow-up letter to the Home Minister as we have urged in our memorandum, to initiate necessary steps for bringing an official bill for inclusion of the Khasi language in the next session of the Parliament.
To increase the production of fish in the state, the Fisheries Department today organized the 7th State Aqua Fest 2023 at State Central Library. Speaking on the occasion, Fisheries Minister A.L. Hegg said that fish farming is a source of income and there are a lot of land in the state which can be used for fish farming. He also urged youth to come forward and start fish farming, which would reduce state's dependence on outside states for import of fishes.
In fish farming, I'm telling you, we have still plenty to build employment, give job to everyone. Not only yourself, you will be an employer to get more employees for the others also.
Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Minister A.L. Hek has asserted that the government is trying to address the shortage of livestock in the state through different missions. To mitigate this dependence on outside state, he said that the government has introduced initiatives like the National Livestock Mission and Meghalaya Piggery Mission. And under these schemes, subsidies of 50% and 30% are offered to encourage individuals, NGOs and societies to venture into poultry and piggery farming.
We had to create the demand it has to reach out to the people. People should participate in this. Until unless people are participating in the poultry sector or the fishery sector or the piggery sector, if they come and participate by themselves, then only there will be a livelihood for them.
The Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad ABVP today hosted Patogan Sangma Best Students Award 2023 at the district auditorium. The event was graced by MDC Bernard Marak as the chief guest. The Patogan Sangma Best Students Award 2023 serves as a testament to the dedication and hard work of students in the region. The ABVP Tura chapter has been diligently organizing this event as part of its ongoing activities, emphasizing the importance of academic achievements and nurturing the future leaders of society. In a bid to foster and showcase the immense football talent among the youth of Meghalaya, the Linti Jam Football Centre is gearing up to host the 7th edition of the Sunfeast Football Cup 2023 in Ribhoi district. Football enthusiasts will be treated to a thrilling spectacle as this tournament unfolds from October 26th to October 31st at the Maulain Maukhan Football Playground. The president of the Linti Jam Football Centre, Sumar Langswear, revealed that this year's Sunfeast Football Cup promises to be an exciting affair, with the event featuring 2 categories, one for schools and another for clubs, and the tournament will cater to the under-13 boys and under-16 girls. The weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded at 25 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 14.1 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 40%, while in the evening was 43%. The forecast, Shillong and its adjoining areas will have dry weather most likely. And before we wind up, here are the headlines once again. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma launches CM Elevate program in West Giant Hills district. BJP central leadership to take a call on fielding Lok Sabha candidates in 2 seats of Meghalaya. Khasi Author Society asks the government to notify Khasi as the official language of the state. And government trying to address shortage of livestock, says Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Minister A.L. Hek. And with that, we have come to the end of the news. Until we meet again tomorrow at the same time, same channel, it's good night.